What's up guys, back with another video, and today we're going to be installing the first exhaust mod on the 2016 Audi S4. So as you can see behind me, we have the 034 Motorsports mid-pipe or X-pipe, and we're going to be getting that thrown on the car. So without further ado, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and we'll get right into it. So first off, I want something for you guys to compare it to, so I'm going to get some clips with a cold start, some stock revs, and then a couple accelerations, just so we can kind of see the difference once it gets thrown on there. So I'm going to hop out the car, give you guys a little cold start, and then we'll head over to the shop, get it thrown on there, and then we'll see how she sounded. All right guys, so I got you a little cold start. Didn't really get too many good revs right now because the car's still pretty cold, but we'll go ahead and get the driving clips on the way over there, and then I'll give you some revs when we get to the shop. But I'm pretty excited for this. As you saw in the last video, we went ahead and threw on the integrated engineering intake, so we got a lot of supercharger noise now, but I think it's about time to open her up a little bit. So from the videos that I've seen, it sounds pretty good. It's not too crazy, it's a little bit louder, and it's got like a nice aggressive tone. So after we do this and we drive around for a little bit, depending on how it sounds and if I want a little bit more volume or more noise, whatever it is, we can do high flow cats. We're in Texas now, don't really want to go without cats. So probably high flow cats or down pipes, kind of see what that sounds like. But I don't want to make it raspy or anything like I said last time. So we'll kind of have to just play it by ear and see. But with that being said, we're going to start heading over to the shop and get you guys a little bit of driving clips. So here is the mid pipe. We got a couple of connectors here, a couple of couplers. Got the actual mid pipe here, and then we've got the whatever you call these, the connectors to the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it pulled into the garage, and then get this thing thrown on there. So this is what it's looking like underneath the car. So basically this is what we're replacing right here. So right now basically he's just taking off the I don't even know what that's called, the little bracket that's holding in the exhaust there, and then we'll line up the X pipe, and then we'll go ahead and chop off the old one and then throw the new one on there. First part disconnected. Now we're just gonna undo those clamps and the hangers, and then we should be able to get the new one thrown on there. So right now we're just trying to get that last hanger out of there. Cool, and she's out. Got the new clamps on there. There's the old clamps that we're gonna be reusing. These are the 2 hanger spots right there, and then the other one's right there. So here's the new 034 Motorsports X pipe or mid pipe in action. Already got the hangers switched over to it. Right now, they're just doing a little bit more cutting. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like all said and done. Here's the back clamps. These are the new ones that come from 034 Motorsports. And then here's a little X pipe. There's the hangers. This one's kind of difficult to get to because you got the gas tank that slides down once you loosen it, and then kind of have to push it back up there to get the bolt back in there, but they're able to make it happen. And then here's the factory hangers that we just reused. So she's looking like all said and done. There's the factory resonators, pretty big little thing, and they got a couple of little dimples in there and whatnot, restricting it more. So this should give us a little bit more volume, a little bit more noise, and hopefully keep a nice little tone on it without getting too crazy or too raspy or anything. But it has a pretty big resonator. Still got 2 mufflers on there, 2 more resonators, and 2 cats. So this shouldn't be too crazy loud or anything. This is the first start with the 034 Motorsports mid pipe on there. Oh yeah. Oh yes. So it sounds really good. It doesn't sound too crazy or anything, not a bunch of rasp, and it's not overly loud, so I absolutely love it. All right, guys, so we got her all finished up. Now we're about to go for a little drive, get some rev clips, and then tomorrow, once it gets cold, they'll give you a little cold start and show you how she's sounding. But big shout out to Chris and Jeff here at B&G Muffler. There's their sign right there. Over in Grapevine, Texas, they definitely hooked me up and let me record and everything, so big shout out to them. And if you guys need anything and you're in the area, definitely stop by and give them some business, and they'll get you taken care of. So. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Definitely be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. I personally love it. I think it gave it just enough tone, volume, all that kind of fun stuff, and it's not too raspy or anything. That's a big thing that I really didn't want, is just, a raspy V6. So I think it sounds great. For right now, we're probably just going to keep it that way until we go like dual pulley. Then we'll probably have to get high flow cats or something to, let more of that exhaust out, because dual pulley setups tend to make the cats go bad. So as of right now, we're probably going to head more towards the visual side of things. Front lip, carbon fiber mirror caps, V-style spoiler that you guys love on the S5. Got to throw some powder coat on the wheels, got to lower it. There's a few things that we need to get done, so that's probably what we're going to start doing now. Plus, those are also a lot cheaper than performance mods. Performance mods add up pretty quick, and you can kind of compound the visual mods and get more bang for your buck. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. That's a big milestone, and I'm definitely grateful for you guys for supporting the channel and helping me get to this next step. So we're definitely going to keep pushing and trying to get to that next level. And I definitely appreciate you guys for coming along for the journey, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. So with that being said, I do have a couple of things that I want to release to you guys. So I've got like an S5 hoodie and an S5 t-shirt that I'm trying to get into the works right now. So stay tuned for that. I want to test it out and everything. I don't want to give you guys any like bad quality stuff or anything that I wouldn't personally want to wear. So I got to test it out first, and then I'll let you guys know how to get that kind of stuff. And maybe in the future, once I get some professional photos of the S4 done, we can get an S4 hoodie and an S4 t-shirt. But with that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And I will see you in the next one.